Welcome to the Cannabis Investor. Today we are looking into the Michigan medical marijuana market and highlighting a company we believe to be a major player in the state. Let's dive in. Michigan's medical marijuana market is off to a hot start, raking in over $42 million in revenue in its first 4 months of legal operations. Dispensaries officially opened for business on November 1st, 2018, and the demand for medical cannabis is clearly evident. Now, what does $42 million in sales actually equate to? A total of 8,670 pounds of cannabis sold at an average cost of $213.91 per ounce. Breaking that down even further, with a 6% sales tax on all cannabis sales, the state of Michigan was able to collect $2.3 million in tax dollars. Now, add that to the $1.2 million collected from the additional 3% excise tax, and Michigan was able to earn a grand total of $3.5 million in new tax dollars. According to LARA spokesperson David Harns, Michigan is the second largest medical market in the United States, with almost 300,000 medical marijuana cardholders. Since Michigan voters approved adult-use marijuana in this past November election, this market is expected to boost the state's cannabis sales to over $1 billion after it goes into full effect next year. Now, with the burgeoning cannabis market in Michigan, the obvious questions are: how can investors get involved, and which stocks can they invest in to gain exposure to this new market? We've been tracking the industry closely and believe the next major player to emerge from Michigan will be a company called Red, White, and Bloom. RWB is the operating name of Michigan Medical, which recently made headlines when it was announced that the company struck a deal with Title Royalty to create the next U.S. multi-state operator. It will begin trading in the near future under the ticker symbol RWB on the CSE. Michigan has an experienced management team with a proven track record in the cannabis industry. You could go as far as to say Brad Rogers, CEO of the company, is one of the few godfathers in the cannabis industry, right up there with the likes of Canopy Growth CEO Bruce Linton. It was announced on February 25th that Title Royalty completed a $15 million advance to Michigan. The release states that it anticipates Michigan will use these funds solely for the acquisition of additional cannabis dispensaries in Michigan and for general working capital purposes. RWB has acquired 11 dispensaries and is already producing over $100 million in revenue, with plans to close 11 more dispensaries in the near term, and assuming this represents the same scale of revenue, RWB will make for one of the largest revenue-producing MSOs in the United States. Investors who are interested in staying up to date with news from Red, White, and Bloom are encouraged to sign up for updates at the link below. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of The Cannabis Investor. Subscribe to our channel and check out our website for future updates, further analysis on RWB, and all other cannabis news. Best of luck to you all and happy trading.